Hey money loves, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, today I'm doing this makeup look, and today's hair is going to be featuring Upretty hair. I will have all the links to their hair down below, especially this hair I have in my head. I have in my head their Peruvian loose wave hair. I have in some bundles and a closure. I have in the 20-inch free part closure. As y'all can see, I decided to do a side part. This can be changed to a middle part or flip it over to another part so you can part it anywhere. I also have in two 24s and a 26-inch bundle, and I did fit all of the bundles into this wig. I did make this myself. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, I did post a little video of the outcome of the hair when I made it, so I will insert it into this video as well. Today's makeup is just going to be another holiday glam look. I decided to do this goldish bronze look going on here and a dark plum lip. Let me know what you guys think about this lip, and I know you guys see my outfit of the day is actually a giraffe onesie, so it's still holiday-ish. Onesies are for the holidays, so I'm festive, kind of, right? So we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to be talking through my eye look. But again, as always, if you guys want to see me explain what I'm doing to my face, I do have a makeup video. I will link that in the cards above, so you guys go check it out, go watch it. And at the end, I'll be showing you guys how I got the hair to look like this without heat. So if you guys want to see all of that, definitely keep on watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Okay y'all, so what I'm really going for today is more of like a neutral look, and glossy, you know, sparkly on the eyes, and you know, a boom on the lips. I've already done my eyebrows off camera and primed my eyes with just some light mascara. What? Concealer. That's what it is. And what I'm going to do now is just set it with some of my airspun powder. That's just so all the colors can mix together smoothly. I need some something on my lips because they're dry. Just some lip gloss, y'all. There's nothing special about that. So what I'm going to be choosing from today is my two Juvia's Place palettes. I have the Zulu palette and the Saharan 2 palette. I'm going to show you guys that now. These are the colors I'm choosing from. So obviously I'm going to choose more from the Saharan palette, and I might choose something from the Zulu palette, but we'll see. So I'm just going to start off with the Saharan palette. Go in with my fluffy brush here, and the color Taza. It's like a little orange brown color. I'm going to use this as my transition color. Now I'm going to take this color Fez, this brown color, and also put that in my crease. Okay, now that I've gotten that done, I'm also going to take another brown. It's kind of like a purple bluish undertone. Well, it's darker than the last brown I used. So I'm going to take another brush just to deepen that brown in here. Now I'm going to start cutting my crease with the same concealer that I primed the eyelids with. Now, instead of setting it with my powder, I'm just going to go ahead with another color, and I'm going to be using this Aziza color up here. It's like a light gold color, and I'm going to pat that in. Now I'm just going to go back in with this contour color here and blend the two colors together. Okay, so I just went back in with those dark colors again and just made sure they are popping out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Pearline Felt Tip eyeliner. It's, you know, running out a little bit, but we're gonna work with it and put some eyeliner on. Now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm just going to take the leftover light concealer on the back of my hand and clean up this eyeshadow up under the eyeliner, and then we're going to go ahead and do the face makeup. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Yeah, if you guys want to know what color this is on my lips, it's called Deep Plum Luster. I think this is a Sephora brand Luster Matte lip color. It's super old, so I don't even know if they still have it, but I just lined my lips with a dark brown lip liner and put this on it. And yeah, this is it. These curls came as is. All I did was add some hair serum to it just to smooth it out, and I just finger coiled them back into place. And of course I can separate them and fluff them out, you guys, but this is the hair. it's big and voluminous. I did use all of the bundles as I stated in the beginning of the video, and I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested in any of my wigs that you all see in my videos, definitely check out my wig Instagram. I will have it right beside me right here, so you guys go check that out. I do have most of my wigs that I post on YouTube on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, money loves.